Get acquainted with the 2019 Nissan Titan. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, stability control. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.